Lesson 105, surface area of a right solid, surface area of a sphere. And surface area of a sphere. So surface area is the sum of all areas of each face on your shape. The word lateral just means the side. You only add the areas on the sides, not the areas of the bases. So if it says, please find the lateral surface area, you're only gonna add all the sides excluding the bases, so you won't add the bases. So we're going to do some examples. If we have a right triangular prism, one side is 3 centimeters, the other side is 4 centimeters, and the hypotenuse is, well, I'll write it on the back. So we draw this parallel, we'll make it 5 centimeters, there we go. Okay, and then the distance between the bases is 6 centimeters. So one thing that you need to know about this is the base is this triangle. So these are the two bases. So to find the base, the area of the base, because it's a triangle, we do 4 times 3 and then divide by 2. So it will be 6 centimeters squared. The other base will also be 6 centimeters squared. Then we need to find the 3 other sides. So there's 3 of them. So there's this one, which is a 5 by 6. And that's 30. Then we have this one back here, which is a 6 by 3, so 18 centimeters squared. And then you have the back here that's a 4 by 6, 24 centimeters squared. So the lateral area is just these 3 added together. So I'm going to write this on the side, lateral. Okay, so the lateral is this. We don't add the bases in for lateral. We add this up and we get 72 centimeters squared. If I wanted to add in, so to get the total area, we'd have to add in then 12 centimeters squared. So we'd have 84 centimeters squared. So the lateral area is 72. The total area would be 84. When we have a cylinder, this circle's called the base, and the base. So if you imagine like a can of soup, if you cut off the label and roll it out, you're going to have the shape of a rectangle. So when we unfold the side, so the side unfolded, it should be not folded, but unrolled, I guess, is a rectangle. So let's say we roll this out. This length right here is going to be the circumference of the base. And then this side would be the height of the can. How high is that can? So to find the lateral surface area of a cylinder, which we can call LSA for lateral surface area, we do the perimeter, which in this case would be circumference, times the height. So P is perimeter of the base, and H is the height. If we come back up here, the triangular prism, the perimeter of the base is 5 times 4 times 3, not times, add them, sorry, you add 5 plus 4 plus 3, so 7 plus 5 is 12, and what's 12 times 6? 72, so that gives you the lateral area, so you can do it that way too. So this, we could find the circumference times the height, and that would give us the lateral surface area of a cylinder. Now we want to know how to do surface area of a sphere. To find the surface area of a sphere, it's 4 pi r squared. Now, a sphere, let's draw us a sphere here. We have a circle. The radius goes from the very center of the sphere out to the edge. So that middle circle right here that goes right across like the equator or the very center of the sphere, that's called the great circle. So if you find the area of the great circle, 4 of those will fit around the outside of the sphere. Exactly. So you just do 4 pi r squared. That gives you the surface area. Can we have lateral surface area of a sphere? No, because there's no bases to exclude. So we can't have lateral surface area, it's just total all the time. Okay, that's the end of that lesson.